Ka Skul Mynken Higher Secondary School Bhoirymbong kala benanam na ka jingle kai bat la jutep ya ka kum ka school sports namar baka pau nambah ha ka kencat bol bat ka yakura. Henry ka school kan sapan mi ru ya ki karikor ki scientist namar baka la syajit ban pentrikam saya ke STEM ne ka bamut science technology engineering bat mathematics ka bat mu ban hikai bat penslur ki khana banwat bat syambut da ka jing start jongki. Kanika school ka ba ai ka jing syakri ya ka thanya ri bhoi mi ngi shaduk khaput Assam kala syajit ban pentrikam ya ka khelo India ha ka sarkar India bat kelas dang da ka jing elek kai boxing na jing elek kai yakura nalor kala pau ha ka kencat bol kat gum ka jing thu principal ba I pengrup ka jing pau ka school ka dei namar ba ka buat penyat kala len na de ban ai tilut ban kentiu ya ka school wat ban sei na la de ban te ya ka jing te ka school bat ki we ka jing don kam dangshan kala pen long ru ya ka jing pen inam ya ki sap jong ki khana school da ka program Innovation Hub ha ka bala sak hilang u director ka tanat puli puthi uswap nil tembe nalor ki weipat.
So is there how did they get to be so good? Like is it under the mission football?
No, we have regular training. As part of the school itself.
Oh, they're all your students.
Yeah, we appoint the coach.
Okay.
The morning.
He's from there.
From local. This year we qualified. Mynken was established in 1963 by the church leader of Bhoirymbong area at Bhoirymbong Pastorates. The institution owned the land of measuring about 70.611 acres. This land donated by the local Darbar since the inception of the institution. The school had made tremendous progress in providing quality education to the students of Eastern Bhoirymbong area. The higher secondary section in arts stream was started in 2003. The commerce stream was started in 2013 and the science stream was started last year in 2022. So Mynken Christian is the only institution in Eastern Bhoirymbong area, right from Parapani to Assam border, which is having all the three streams, that is arts, science and commerce. It also contributed in promoting the sports games in the district and the state level. It had represented states 3 times in the Suprato Mukherjee Cup 1999, 2011 and 2015 at New Delhi. The school also observed as The school also served as the center of SSLC and other examination of FOs right from 1993. At present, the school runs two vocational subjects, agriculture and beauty and wellness. Under the innovative model for vocational training in school, which is the initiative of NCRT. School was awarded the best school for development execution for the School Improvement Plan (SIP) for the year 2018-19, 2019-20 consecutively under the Brigadier School Improvement Program, an initiative towards enhancing learning outcomes of students through professional learning communities. The Education Department of the state selected Mynken as the pilot school for STEM program under the supervision of Smart Village program along with Curiosity Gym, Mumbai from this year to 2023. In this year, our student Ms. Hanika Varel secured 50th position in the SSLC examination 2023 of their course. The school will celebrate its Diamond Jubilee in October 2023.